That sounds mad. Come on, VTech. VTech. Wait, VTech. Okay guys, we're going to be watching a video from Living Life Fast Uncut by Ricky Sr. and his son. So he's got a 300 brake horsepower supercharged Honda CRX carbon fiber. It's got C2 sunroof, absolute beautiful classic JDM car, and we are going to be reacting to it because you know what, I thought why not live streaming and Kick. We also live stream as well. I even asked him on the comment section because I joined really late. I joined right towards the end. Yo bro, Ricky, can I react? It's like, of course you can. So that's what we're going to do. Let's share the love. Go watch it.
Yo chat, yo chat, yo chat.
Come on Ricky.
Shalkin, where am I?
Yes Ricky.
CRX.
Come on man.
What are you saying? Remember when I had one of these? You don't even remember, do you?
Nice. He's doing a review on the Honda CRX.
Man, like two Rickies. Come on.
Two Rickies.
Live review.
Listen.
They're both the same.
Not POV. In real life. Live drive. 300 horsepower.
Yeah.
Supercharged CRX.
Oh.
Man, ain't ready.
Yeah, we're not ready, Ricky.
Listen, anybody watching, remember the game Juiced?
Yeah.
I think that's why I'm fascinated with these CRXs. As soon as I see them come up for sale, it's just a no-brainer.
Definitely.
You don't get them, lads.
Definitely.
How small the thing is. It's like a little box.
Juice PS2 game.
You don't remember Juice? You was a baby, mate.
I'm joking. Something in the chat.
Baby.
Search it up, Honda CRX. 20 grand for Honda CRX. 20 grand. Do you know what I mean? Like they're worth crazy money. 20 grand for a Honda CRX.
Might as well jump on the roof.
It's taking the. Hold on.
Lightweight aftermarket alloys.
Already said that, mate. Already said that.
Ricky, you're being too hard on him, man. Is learning, man. He's learning.
Come on, keep it moving, mate. Yeah, bust the carbon. Yeah. I
Come.
already know that.
We got a glass. We got a window on.
Said it already.
Ricky, you make me laugh, man.
Said it already, lads.
Come to the back. Come to the back.
This is so cool, man.
Carbon spoiler. Look at the back of her. Look at the back of her.
It's making me laugh, Ricky.
Aftermarket exhaust.
Aftermarket exhaust.
Yeah, this one's a weapon, lads.
Oh wow, look with glass boot there as well. That is sick. What's that? Is that the petrol cap? Never seen a CRX petrol cap right there. The body kit is obviously not stock. That's a completely aftermarket body kit, but it looks nice. It looks very unique.
BC Racing coilovers.
Yeah, Ricky.
Got K-Tech brakes.
Yeah.
Inside, yeah.
Inside. Okay, we're gonna see the engine bay now. Whoa, Jackson Supercharger Racing. Madness.
Below to that, mate.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, Ricky.
That's a K20.
That's a K20.
2 litre.
2 litre.
And that's a supercharger kit. I believe that's a Jackson supercharger kit.
Yeah, I'm going to say it's probably estimated around 370 brake horsepower. I think 320 is the reliable power that you want it to be.
So these things, you're talking what? 8, maybe?
So 800 kg shell and 350 brake. Power to weight ratio, we're talking definitely over 400 brake horsepower. Definitely. And it's very well drive.
900 kilos, haven't that?
Recaro bucket seats.
Recaro bucket seats. That sounds mad. That sounds mad. Look at that, man. Father and son. Can't beat that duo.
My steering wheel on my CRX was way heavier than this, you know that?
Yeah, proper limbo car.
Weight was it called? Was that almost a fender?
But I think it's got power steering, the way it's got a
It's a
turn.
bit of a silly question if you ask me, son.
He's leaning proper back.
Yeah?
Come on,
I
son.
reckon.
I'll probably jump in the back.
Don't hurt to ask.
Huh?
Don't hurt to ask. You never know the answer until you ask, right? Jim Ron.
Yeah?
Ricky.
Don't ask, don't get. Rev match, second gear.
Okay.
You say, should we get a
Send
window
it,
down?
send it. Come
Have
on.
a listen, guys. This is driving heaven off.
We are listening.
Come
on, VTech. VTech.
Mate.
Unbelievable.
Bro, the
That is
thing
mad.
is pretty damn
There's zero lag. The car's got zero lag. The car's flying. Like a bubble, like.
fast. I just don't understand how it stays so straight.
Well, I can't,
on the
Ricky.
acceleration.
Yeah.
Oh, mate.
Maybe it's because the person who tuned the car, the tuner, has tuned it boost by gear, so then it doesn't wheel spin. Like, that's just my opinion. And the more light the car is, the more it's going to handle, and the more heavy the car, the more it's going to break traction and go everywhere.
900 kilos.
Stay so straight.
Okay.
What? I don't know why. With front wheel drive cars, you get a lot of torque still.
Oh yeah, we will drive.
Guys, you got a tunnel. You got a fucking tunnel, mate.
Tunnel, let's go.
Have a listen.
Come on, man.
Have a listen to this, mate. Have
Send
a
it.
listen. It's gonna be unreal, mate.
Okay,
You know
second
what I
gear.
mean? Little
Come on,
cars.
Ricky.
Gotta go
Send it.
first, haven't we?
Send it, fam. Oh. Wait. B-Tech.
Mental. Mate, these things are bulletproof. They're built
Yeah.
to just be rinsed.
We've got
The
two boosted
K20.
Civics. We have
These engines do 500-600 horsepower for fun.
all day. All
So a
day.
little supercharger, light work.
Yeah.
Let's get the windows up.
I think I want one now.
That's a bit of supercharger. That's it.
A bit of super sauce.
Bit of super sauce. Golf far must be what, 1,500 kilos?
Yeah. This would probably rip a Golf R. Definitely.
And there you go.
Don't actually know the weight. I think.
Unlike the Golf R, it don't touch the top of the flipping arch. And
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
like it, man.
Want anybody in a Civic with hard suspensions? This is you and me. We're driving like this. You feel every single speed bump. That is Hondas for you. They're just go-karts.
Aesthetics, you know. For performance, it's done.
Yeah. Okay, it's going for it again. Third gear, I'm guessing. Beautiful.
Listen.
Second gear. Come on.
Hey, I just, it
Wow.
just doesn't skip a beat. Like the
Nah.
brakes.
Whoa. Sounds
What a melody.
amazing. Wow.
That there, man. That second.
Sick.
That's
You
the
know-
one, mate.
You can't
Ricky, you
replace
need a camera facing the road, man.
So,
Two
like,
cameras. That'd be
mechanical
sick.
and You are, yeah. I mean,
That is mad.
it's not the most. I mean, it's very involving to drive.
Yeah, 100%. Considering it's all glass as well, you can see
Still,
everything.
like, pretty easy to drive.
Yeah.
Super sensitive throttle.
Yeah,
You just, there's no weight, so it just goes.
yeah, instant
Militant.
power, no lag,
Militant, guys.
definitely.
Yeah, man. I'd love to have one of these cars over a lot of cars.
Yeah,
Very
me too.
Bit of poo from your bum, mate.
Yeah, Road Tricks is like a turbo supercharger.
Man, hood stick, come on.
Yes, hood stick. What you saying, my G?
Come on, hood sticks right here. He's right here. Come on, we made it. We made it. Mama made it. Made it. Come on, lads, we did it together.
That's
Man, respect, bro.
remember when I went out in the
Respect.
Skyline R33? It
Yes.
was a drift.
Oh, that's his.
Drifter.
Okay, sick.
Bad
Sick.
boy car.
Yeah, look, you
Here's a
just said
mad
it.
skyline.
I remember from back in the days. Yeah, sick. I saw your video the other day. I've been reacting to that video. I was at yard, eating my food. I watched the whole video.
I was bad.
That car was mental. I was lit. I
That,
was
you know
like,
what? That was Mentos, bro.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, hood stick
Appreciate
car
that.
will definitely go down in history. That was one of the most driver-focused,
Of course,
fun experiences I've ever had.
I want to see your skills, and you proved it.
Hood stick, let me can drive with it.
I
A lot of
remember
cars you get in.
nearly crashed.
Nah, bro.
Right, if you guys enjoyed that video, that was a mad video. I mean, it was taken live today, like just before, like probably around like 7 o'clock. Brilliant video, man. Ricky and your son, absolute banger video. If you guys keep doing that, I'll be happy to react to it every single time. But yeah, man, we need to get the Skyline back on the road. I'm going to get my boosted Civics out in the next couple of days. Well, we'll go for a spin in it, Ricky, but it's got 4 seats in there. I'll show you what that car's about, man. Proper, even though you've driven so many turbo Civics, it is mad. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed that, as per usual, smash the like button, drop a comment down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one, brother Hoodsticks. See you guys soon. And if you haven't already, join the members channel where we all get like-minded people, grow a community, we'll do some car meets together, and we'll give free Hoodstick merch. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.